staring me down, and I can't help but feel it's coming from you. She's a gunshot bride, the triggered cries. I just wonder